In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name your site on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're starting fresh or updating an existing project, naming your site effectively can set the right tone and attract the audience you're aiming for. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to Google Sites. To do this, simply open your web browser and type in the Google Sites URL or search for it through your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to start a new site. Here, we have two choices. You can either select a blank site or choose from any recent sites you've been working on. If you're starting from scratch, clicking on Blank Site is a great way to ensure you have a clean slate to work with. But if you're revisiting a project, clicking on Recent Sites can help you pick up where you left off. Next, once you've chosen or created your site, focus on the top left corner of your workspace, where it asks you to enter your site name. This is where you'll be giving your site its identity. Think about the main purpose of your site.